Louis Vuitton, iconic and timeless. But did you guys know that it was originally designed as trunks for European aristocrats and wealthy travelers? Hi, my loves y amores. Today we're reviewing the VUITTON Pochette. And I'm gonna let you know, is it worth it or is it not? This is the iconic box that she comes in, and let's open her up and ooh, I love the pouch. And let's take her out. And
If you enjoy beautiful luxury reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.
oh, look at how beautiful she is. This is in the cream color with the monogram Impermanente leather. Founded in 1854 in Paris by Louis Vuitton, he worked as an understudy for a successful trunk maker and packager. Well, he noticed that the luggages at the time were difficult to stack because of their dome shape. And he actually ended up revolutionizing not only the entire leather industry, but by doing it in a way where he created trunks that were not only flat topped, but made from the durable, lightweight, and waterproof canvas material that we love and enjoy today. Now, the main pro is what's on the inside. Let's open her up, and we actually have two removable parts. We have a zip pocket. This is the front, and this is the back, and this is the way that she opens. I love it. You can put in here cards, cash, coins. Really beautiful, and it is made from cowhide leather. And the second removable part is this flat pocket with 8 card slots. You have all these slots here, and then you have an opening here. And I just love the way she looks. She's also made from the cowhide leather. And I just love these little extras. I love the fact that you can not only keep these in the bag, you could do one in there, you could do both, but you also can take these individually. I can take this one as I'm going to the grocery store. I could even hook on my car key. And this one as well too, if I'm just on the go and I just want something really pretty and yet in an understated way, I can just put my credit card in there, an ID, and a little bit of money here, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. There's also several colors and materials to choose from black to rose, as well as different materials from leather to canvas. There's truly something for everyone. Now for the inside. So another pro is this plush microfiber lining and really this large pocket. You know, in my past videos that I'm not somebody who really likes the way that these pockets are made because I feel that there isn't any way that you can actually stick stuff in there. But I actually love the fact that it takes on the majority of the inside of the purse. And look at this. It's extremely roomy, and you still have room right here on the inside. Now, let me show you everything that I would fit inside this purse. Here we have an iPhone, and instead of putting it here, we're actually gonna put it in that back pocket. It's not only gonna protect the phone, but it's also going to protect all the other stuff, and it's going to make it a lot roomier. And then if I wanted to do one of the wallets, I probably would do the card slot, and I would stick it here in the front. I would stick my flower nose compact, and I would put it here in the front. I would put my flower nose lipstick. I have my P. Louise lip liner. I have my Cartier perfume. And I have a hair tie. And I would stick it in just like that. And I still feel like you could put a couple more things if you wanted to. And then I would close her up. And she closes up really nicely. And then if I wanted to do the other wallet, I would put in her just like here. Now, depending on how much items you have in this, it could get a little bit thicker and you could have a little less room. And then I would close that up. And she closes very well and still there is room to put a couple more things if you wanted to. Now, another pro that I love about this bag is that the chain is detachable. It comes off just like this. And I love that I can customize it. I can wear it as a clutch. I can wear it as a crossbody. I can wear it over my shoulder. And one thing that I really love is that because it has these little areas to attach, I actually ended up buying these beautiful pearl chains. And I love these because I can put it on any purse and it just looks so classy and so pretty, and it completely transforms the purse. I absolutely love that. It's really rare to see that in purses. A lot of times these chains are not detachable and you just have to do with it and be creative. But I love the fact that we can detach and add any other chain that we would like. Do you guys see this little gold button? Now, I have several Louis Vuitton purses, and one of the things that I have found is that these little gold buttons scratch up really easily. Now, I haven't been wearing this one as much, so you really can't see any of the scratches, but I do see it in a lot of my other bags, and that is something to keep in mind. Price. She is currently $1,620, and she's actually gone up in price in the last couple of years. This chain, do you guys see this? Not only is it flimsy, but it's really long. It is 44.5 inches, and if you're a smaller frame, it just doesn't look right. I do love the fact that we're able to detach it, but if you are wanting to use this chain, I feel that it just doesn't go right with the purse. Now, although the chain is long, let me show you guys a little trick to make it smaller. All you have to do is grab one side like this, grab the other one just like that, close it up, and now you have a much smaller purse that you can put over your shoulder, or you can put crossbody. So do I recommend this pochette or do I not? And my answer is yes. She is versatile in so many different ways, from the colors to the inserts to all of the ways that you can style it. This is the Louis Vuitton purse to have in your wardrobe. I love you guys so much for watching. Los amo. Mwah!